Hi everyone, today I am here with a new video where I am going to share a short story about my parrots and why we love them so much, because there is a reason behind it. After losing them I struggled a lot, but eventually I got them back and we were so much happy. So guys, this incident happened 8 months ago. In my family, my mom and my sister went out and we stayed at home. I asked my sister to put the parrot cage on the balcony, so she did. We had no idea what was going to happen. After a while, when I opened the door, both parrots were sitting on the balcony and they were about to fly away, and the door of the cage was open. Oh my god! And I was shocked after seeing this. Literally, I was shocked and got really scared. So I called my sister to grab them. Somehow I managed to catch one parrot, but when I tried to catch the second one, whose name was Mittu, I couldn't catch him and he flew far away from our society. We got extremely worried and panicked. OMG. And then we started searching for them everywhere, but we could not find them. We tried so hard, and I still remember that day. It was raining, and I took an umbrella and went outside to look for him at night. Can you guys imagine? I searched everywhere with my sister. With teary eyes, I was calling out loudly, "Me too, me too." But but it was of no use. We had thought in our minds it's getting late. What if a cat has eaten him? We were very scared and crying. Everyone was sad and crying a lot, and I was the one who cried the most. My eyes were swollen. I prayed to God to give me back Mithu. Even Mithi, my second parrot, was sad because of his absence. She was not eating anything. It had been 2 days, guys, and there was no sign of him. We had lost hope. It was the third day, and we were having lunch when we suddenly heard someone's voice. I looked out from the balcony, and a man asked, "Have you lost your parrot?" I was shocked and replied, "Yes." "Did you find him?" He said. "Yes, come with me quickly." Everyone in my family was so much happy, including me. And then I ran without sleepers to see Mittu. And my brother came with me. I was so much excited because for me this was a miracle from God. I was crying as I rushed to see him. Our Mittu was in a factory garden, and the garden was very beautiful. As soon as I entered the garden, I saw Mittu sitting there perfectly safe, and he was looking at me with, lots of love. Our Mithu was in a factory garden, and the garden was very beautiful. As soon as I entered the garden, I saw Mithu sitting there perfectly safe, and he was looking at me with so much love. I picked him up and I started crying and gave Mittu lots of kisses. Those were tears of happiness because for me it was a miracle. After so many prayers, I finally got him back. So, guys, who says prayers are not answered? if you pray sincerely, you will definitely receive it. I prayed to God with tears and desperation, and today my Mittu is with me. Thank you so much, friends, for listening to my story.